The student of the second year, the Hadith department at the Kamil level, Muhammad Khalilur Rahman, will deliver a speech in English.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulil kareem. Amma ba'd. Ma adakum ar-rasul fakhudhuhu wa ma nahakum anhu fantahu. Sadaqallahu al-azim. Honorable President, today's program, our respected teacher and respected guide and guest, the Hadith, beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. All praise is for Allah is Almighty. He gives us Iman, He guides us to Islam. Respected audience, today is very special day for us. It is a day of thanks, joy and responsibility. First of all, we thank Allah. Without His mercy, we could not read even one hadith. We also thank our respected scholar, teacher, friends and guests. Your presence and your dua mean a lot us. We especially thank our honorable principal, Hazrat Allama Akhomo Abu Bakr Siddiq Hafizahullah. Under your guidance, this madrasa continues to shine with knowledge and discipline. Dear brothers, completing Sahih Bukhari is not just finishing a book. It is connects us with the words and life Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari is most authentic book of hadith after the Holy Quran.